In 1972, a crack commando unit was sent to prison by a military court for a crime they didn't commit. These men promptly escaped from a maximum security stockade to the Los Angeles underground. Today, still wanted by the government, they survive as soldiers of fortune. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the A-Team.
Big thighs, big gosh thighs. Look at him. Look at him. He sounds like a big gosh thighs.
Do the Gershies have
you
big
were mean
thighs?
to me earlier.
You
were mean to me earlier. You were mean to me earlier. You were mean to me earlier. Not deep at all.
Oh no, look at that.
See? Jimmy! Oh fucking fuck! Shit! Shit! Oh my god!
I got that, man.
Fuck! Fucking hell! I didn't even notice I did not be squat out.
And we're out.
Seriously, that would have knocked me out.
You're gonna have a head.
Get him!